In today's video we are going to analyse Pfizer. So to get straight into it, what are going to be our key resistance levels? As we're currently pushing up and we are up 3.5% on the day, we can see our closest resistance is 52.50, as that would be our first deviation on the 4 hour, and we do have the statistical mean right after around $53, and that would again be another key resistance. So really, if Pfizer comes into this $53 level, we would expect some hesitation and we may struggle to break through this level. However, if we do and we continue to push up, we have our next level around $55.50, with the next one being at $57 and then $58.50, $61.20, $61.50, $65 and $70. So these are going to be all our key resistances going really very high, but the key ones that we want to be focusing on is obviously this $52 to $53 level coming in. We can see we struggled here the last few times. We also kind of created a resistance line, well, a manual resistance line here, which has lined up literally perfectly with our standard deviation. So coming into this level, heavy resistance. However, if we can break through, then our next key target would be $55.50. Now, if you are enjoying the video, please drop a like and subscribe. If you want any other tickers analysed, post them in the comments and I will get to it. But to get over to the support levels now, what are we looking at? Well, we do have a small one at around 49.50 because that is statistical mean, and the real thing that we use these levels for is between this 49.50 and our other statistical mean, which is 52.50. We don't really like to be touching this stock. We tend to think it's going to be quite choppy and direction can kind of be unclear during these areas, so we don't tend to touch it too much. We tend to wait for it to either break out of to the upside or break down to the downside. But going down lower, what other support levels can we look at? Well, at 48.65 or 48.75, that is going to be our first deviation on the daily. So kind of the first key support level that we would start looking to buy, with the next one being below at around 46.25. And then going even lower, 44.75, 43.50, $40 and kind of 50 cents, and these are going to be our key support levels to the downside. We do have one very extended one, which would be the fourth deviation at 37.30 and also 36.50. So these ones are obviously very extreme, unlikely to see, but obviously these support levels from the $40 and above are a lot more likely. But really our key outlook on Pfizer is if we come down, we're going to start looking to buy around the 46. This is where we would start to expect a push up or a reversal. And if we end up pushing up higher from here, our key resistance will be this 42 to 43, where we could expect a sell-off. However, if we're able to break above, come back and use this as support, we would then expect a breakout to around that 55.50 level. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to see another large cap analysis video, go here. And if you want to see a video on my trading strategy that I trade every day in the stock market, go here.